Hello mga sis, I recently went to Tampere and this city is so beautiful. In this video, I will be showing you some tourist attraction that you can visit for free. And I also visited the Moomin Museum. Is it really worth the hype? Maaga kaming umalis ng Vanta around 7:30 in the morning and then 2 hours yung biyahe bago makarating ng Tampere and ito yung sinakyan namin yung VR commuter train. The return ticket cost 30 euros. After 2 hours ay narating na nga namin ang Tampere. I would say on that moment, I really loved the energy that Tampere is giving. It was so vibrant. We then first decided to go to the Kaupahali or to the old market hall. Since we were both hungry, we want some coffee and breakfast. Itong Kaupahali dito sa Tampere ay parang katulad ng meron sa Helsinki. Maraming option kung saan mo gustong kumain. Meron ding tindang mga fresh flowers, fresh fish, meat, at kung ano-ano pa. Oo nga pala, free lang ang pumasok dito, kaya puntahan nyo siya, mag-e-enjoy kayo. At dito nga sa small coffee shop na to naming napiling kumain ng breakfast. Nag-order kami ng iced coffee and itong ham toast. Sis, ang sarap na kinakain natin right now. Ham sandwich. Sarap, toasted. After nga namin kumain ay naglakad-lakad muna kami. Walking is the best way to explore the city, diba? Alam nyo, for some reason, ang kalmado lang dito sa Tampere, ang chill ng vibe. Parang hindi nagmamadali yung mga tao, nagre-relax lang sila, nakaupo lang sila kung saan-saan dyan. And we finally reached our next destination, which is ang Tampere Cathedral. Look how beautiful it is from the outside. What more pa sa loob mga sis, abangan nyo yan. And this is open for public, so walang entrance fee. Isama nyo ito sa itinerary nyo just in case mapunta kayo dito sa Tampere. At habang papunta kami sa aming next destination, ay nakita nga namin itong magandang park na to. Siguro kung taga Tampere ako, palagi kong pupuntahan tong Koski Puisto Park para mag-chill or mag-picnic. At naglakad-lakad na nga kami papunta sa aming next destination. Inabot din kami ng around 15 to 20 minutes bago nakarating dito. And here we are at Tampere City Library. I'm not gonna lie, I will be biased with this one kasi for me, lahat ng library ay maganda. When you go to the second floor, you can find a small cafeteria as well. O diba? Ang galing. It's really worth it na puntahan talaga yung mga library. Sa katapat nga lang ng library ay may matatagpuan ka ulit na isang church. Ito ang Alexandrine Kirko. But unfortunately, hindi kami nakapasok sa loob dahil may nagaganap na funeral ceremony at that time. And we have decided na nga napuntahan ang Moomin Museum. And this time ay sumakay na kami ng tram dahil may kalayuan yung location niya. Oo nga pala, kailangan yung i-download ang app na ito para makabili kayo ng ticket sa bus or train. And we have reached na nga our final destination, ang Moomin Museum for this trip. So hindi siya free and the ticket cost 14.50. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video dito sa loob dahil may mga part na bawal videohan and picturean. Pasensya na kayo kung medyo madilim kasi bawal yung flash ng camera sa loob. Maliit lang yung Moomin Museum. Well, for the experience, you can also try na magpunta dito sa Tampere. We were just curious kasi super huge ni Moomin dito sa Finland. We also visited the souvenir shop. Look at those cutie items that they are selling here. And after that, naglakad na lang kami papuntang train station kung saan malapit din yung kakainan namin for lunch. At dito nga namin napag-isipang kumain sa Biyang, isang Chinese restaurant. Ambience and food was really great. I highly recommend itong Biyang if ever mapunta kayo sa Tampere. And that's it for our Tampere day tour. I hope you did enjoy this video. And if you want to see more about Europe travel or here in Finland, just hit subscribe. Thank you. Bye.